It's a terrible interception, and Lionel Messi once, Lionel Messi twice, Lionel Messi 3 times. They just can't. He just can't get past them. Goalkeeper, defender, everybody throwing themselves at him then. Now Matthew for Valencia. It's a breathtaking opening 10 minutes at the Mestard.
This is the first decent attack Barcelona have had, and it was aided and abetted by some poor Valencia play in midfield. Good save from Huita, good clearance off the goal line from Ricardo Costa. And between Ricardo Costa and Huita, they managed to clear the danger away from Lionel Messi, possibly on the third one there. The third attempt, he should have just squared it for David Villa, and he would have been allowed to have tapped it into the open goal. So much harder to do when a team's hunting you down like Valencia.
Lionel Messi motors on. Nice turn from Iniesta, but turns into trouble. And then
Barcelona haven't been able to ease their way into this game as they usually do.
Messi to Iniesta. Handing out cuddles. Lionel Messi picks the pocket, he's got Villa in support. Messi goes solo! Messi! He tries to walk the ball into the net. He's tried every trick in the book tonight. With half an hour gone, he still can't score.
This is the problem with Valencia. Give the ball, it's Diabé there. Messi picks his pocket. We've seen that little dink over the goalkeeper work so many times for Lionel Messi. It's exactly the right technique. He just gets a little bit too much on it, scoops it over the crossbar onto the roof of the net. But that's the problem for Valencia. The attacking players of Barcelona, individually, when they get through into the final third, I think, my opinion, are too good for the Valencia defenders.
Nice turn from Iniesta. Messi takes it brilliantly in his stride. Leaves defenders for dead. Feeds David Villa. Villa tries to get it back to Lionel Messi, who's volleyed brilliantly off the ball by the Albert. That's maybe where he did the damage. Now Lionel Messi just holds it up. Alves is outside of it. David Villa's on the prowl in the penalty area. Taken by Adriano. Here is David Villa. Villa right across goal. Screaming at him is Dani Alves.
I think the problem with Valencia is Stankovic is tucking him far too narrow. He's inviting the pass out wide on the left. Adriano there tries to set David Villa up. He's doing the right thing. He's shooting towards goal. He's going across the far post. He's a little bit frustrated.
To the final 5 minutes of the first half. Xavi fires it at Lionel Messi. Great first touch. Second touch takes a while. Then his strength feeds Adriano. Adriano, great cross, and Guaita makes a very tidy save to keep out David Villa on his return to the Mestard. Messi. Xavi. Back here to Messi. Adriano takes it off, and we've seen him score some great goals like that over the years. Dani Alves. A little chance to shine on this right-hand side with effectively 2 left-backs up against him. Lionel Messi. He with a magnetic orange boots. Alves. Iniesta.
On the pitch now.
Xavi. Feeds it to Iniesta. It's a 3-on-2 situation. One of those 3 is the great Lionel Messi, who still can't give Barcelona the lead. By his exceptional standards, he's having an off night.
He should be hitting the target at the very least here. Iniesta involved. He's looking right, he's looking left, and picks the best pass to Lionel Messi. Certainly not a bad option, is it? Villa to your right, Messi to your left. Which one shall I pick?
Messi, arm across his shoulder, he continues the run. David Villa to Xavi. Xavi spots the goalkeeper off his line. Jonas, the Brazilian who scored the winning goal at the weekend. Adriano loses Stankovic to Lionel Messi! You just can't keep him out. Perseverance and tenacity pays off for Barcelona. It's been some very tough ice to crack, and they've finally cracked it.
Yep, and it's that left-hand side of the pitch. And they've been wasteful on so many occasions. Now, Adriano's now playing in the left-back position. He finds himself in space. I thought there was half a chance he could go on and possibly take the shooting opportunity on himself. And he looks up and decides that Lionel Messi is probably the better option. Cuts inside, Stankovic looks up, Messi on the run, on the move. Adriano puts it on the plate, onto Messi's left foot. It's a firm shot, and the goalkeeper gets a good hand to it because of the power behind the side-footed effort from Lionel Messi. It does just enough to trickle across the goal line into the back of the net.
A lapse in concentration once and almost twice in David Villa.
To try and get back in the game, get the equaliser. And you see Messi quick thinking from a set piece into David Villa.